This is Silly String Contest 2017. Our competitors are lined up. I'm going to count down from 5 and we will begin. Mommy, Elizabeth, Christian, and Laura competing in a 2-can extravaganza. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa!
Not the face. You're okay.
They're still on their first cans. They're already running out of steam here. Go, go! Oh, Mommy's stepping out. Pause for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Mommy can go again.
Guys, don't surround me, please.
Surround her.
Shake it, Laura.
She's good. I see if I have any more. I got my hair, but I'll help you get it out, Mom. Not in her hair. Guys! Get out of her hair!
Is that first can done?
Christian!
Christian's done, and you're right up to her face.
Ah, Laura.
Is that first cans?
Oh, down further. Just down. That's all it, like, you can spray me, honey?
What are we doing? Is everybody done with their first can?
No! Christian, face.
Not. Why are you spraying that stuff at the face?
What is it?
Okay, it's just aerosol now.
Here, Laura.
That was good.
And it continues, Mommy. Go get him, Laura.
Did we get our second can?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
I gotta shake mine first.
Me too.
Go get him. He can't shoot.
Go get him.
Hold on, bye. Oh, Elizabeth's out.
Did you shake yours, Elizabeth?
Elizabeth, is that your second can? Nope.
Well, get your second. Come on. Don't spray that stuff.
Laura, I need time to get my second. Mom.
This is a dull part of this competition here. Everybody's a little run down.
Oh, my hair!
There's
That's
some.
black. Okay.
Go, go. You're fine. It's not in your hair. Come on, Elizabeth.
I just got my mouth.
You're fine. You're fine.
Clean off her nozzle for her.
Okay.
Where's your black?
Come here, Laura.
It is this one. Right?
Yep. Wait, everyone pause. This is my black.
Wow.
There you go. Get Elizabeth. Oh! You're all right. It'll come out.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Oh, Laura.
You need some color on you, Mom. Me too. Guys, I need to clean my nozzle.
I think your nozzle's fine. You gotta press harder.
Really?
This, I no. Oh, boyo.
Go.
Oh, Christian stepped out of bounds. 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Time's up.
Oh, yeah.
We did not use that to our advantage.
No, you didn't.
This orange is really stinky.
Oh, Laura gets Elizabeth.
You can spray me for
Really? What?
Hey, not in her face. 5 second, Christian. 1. Get Christian. 2, 3, 4, 5. And Christian's free again. I think it's winding down here.
Well, my can didn't do much. This orange didn't do much. The yellow did pretty good by me.